Hi, I'm Shelley Wood and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple little elastic waist skirt which will fit the Disney Toddler dolls and many more dolls in that 13-inch to 15-inch size range. There's a list of all the dolls that will fit this skirt on my website, shelleywood.com. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download and print these two free printable PDF sewing patterns. Now, notice you must tape the skirt patterns together. Use the pattern to cut out the fabric shown. You can use whatever fabric. Double fold hem the length of your skirt. If you need help hemming, there's a tutorial for that. Look in the description below this video on YouTube for a link to my whip stitch tutorial. Create a casing on the other long side of your skirt fabric. So here I am making a casing. I fold just a little bit and then I fold a deeper bit. And you can see I've already hemmed. Now if you need help with the casing, I have a tutorial for that too. Once you have a casing and a hem, you're going to add some ribbon. I'm using a 1/4 inch ribbon edged with lace, and I bought mine at Joann Fabric, but you can also find some on Etsy. I recommend that you sew it to the hem before you cut away what you don't need, and that way you can be sure that you've got enough there. I sewed along the ribbon's top and bottom edges. So that's what you see me doing here on my actual sewing machine, not my little miniature one. So I'm sewing along the top and the bottom edges. Then I added some metallic rickrack, and I bought mine at Joann Fabric, but you can buy it on all kinds of places. So I sewed the rickrack down the ribbon's middle, and that's what you see me doing here. And I think I used just white thread for it. There we go. And it makes a nice little edging for this skirt. Now you need to measure your doll's waist for elastic. Cut the elastic to fit and attach a safety pin. Send the safety pin through the casing, pausing at each end to insert a straight pin through the elastic. You want it to hold the elastic in place. Okay, so here I'm showing you what I mean by all that. I sent my safety pin through the casing. When you get to the end of the elastic, then you insert your straight pin all the way through the elastic, just like that. Continue to push the safety pin through the casing and out the other side, and then insert your other straight pin. Now I just give a little tug and then fold the skirt in half. Sew from the waist to the hem. Invert the skirt, so turn it right side out. And now you're ready to try the skirt on your doll. This is such a cute little outfit, and the top is available also on my website. You can get the patterns to make it as well, and there's a tutorial for it too. Now for more free printable sewing patterns for making doll clothes that fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, and for the free summer top patterns too, please remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Now if, like me, you have an ugly childhood fairy who tends to inspire your arts and crafts, then you may benefit from my Life Balance to-do list. My Life Balance to-do list helps you plan not just your arts and crafts, but it helps you organize your family chores while also rewarding yourself from time to time. And if that seems tricky to accomplish, it also comes with an idea generator to help you fill in the blanks with your helpful goals. You can fill it out digitally, or you can just print it and fill it out by hand. There's a link to this product in the description below.